Okay, so this is an unboxing of the Luxja, I'm not exactly how to say it, sewing bag. So it comes in this plastic. So that's the sewing machine bag. It's in purple. And it says here on the bag, 30-day return for any reason, 90-day warranty, lifetime support. I got this one from Amazon. Let's open this up. So it's got a nice handle with a closure here, Velcro. Shoulder strap with some nice padding and some faux, probably vegan leather there. It's got, you can take the straps off there, either side. And then it comes with this padded insert to put at the bottom for support for when you have your sewing machine. And that's the zip cover. So that's, and then it's got side pockets here. Open those up. So, and then you've got pocket there, and a zip pouch netted here. And it's maybe about maybe 2 inches there. And then this is the front of the bag. It's got a zip pocket here. And that's your front pocket with all these little areas. So these ones are a little smaller. These ones are a little bigger. Feels like good quality. And then you've got a nice big clear zipper pouch here for bigger things. Like a pair of scissors in there. So there's that. And then another pocket on this side. I think it's the same as the other one. Yep, 2 pockets. And zip mesh. And then on the back, it's got a slit here that fits in like your luggage. If you have like a rolling luggage bag, you can fit it in there on top for easy travel. So that is the Luxja sewing machine bag in purple. Thanks for watching.